Friends, good evening. This is Devashish Bhomik. Everybody call me Rajan Bhai. I am an LIC agent at President Banahat district, Jalpaiguri. Today, I am invited in a birthday party, Hotel Relax Inn, Banahat Chamurchi More, district Jalpaiguri. Hotel Relax Inn. Birthday party is the son of Mr. Ratan Datto. So friends, have a look, relaxing hotel. Have a look. Relaxing hotel. Today, I am invited in a birthday party, Mr. Son of Mr. Ratan Datto at Banahat, district Jalpaiguri, Chamurchi More, West Bengal. Friends, have a look. Slowly, I am going inside of the relaxing hotel. Have a look, friends. This is entrance, relaxing hotel, lodge. Have a look, friends. Entrance. I am invited in a birthday party. Son of Mr. Ratan Datto, Banahat, district Jalpaiguri, Chamurchi More, West Bengal. Have a look. This is the boy whose birthday party going to be held. Have a look. Relax Inn Hotel, Banahat, district Jalpaiguri. Location, Chamurchi More. Have a look, friends. Nice hotel. দ্বীপ কোথায় রে দ্বীপ?
দ্বীপটা উপরে।
উপরে?
কোন দ্বীপ?
প্যান্ডেল after half an hour our birthday party going to start.